Akko has been founded in 1986 by Abdullah Caracas. He started production in a 90 square meter machining atelier. Now, it makes production in 8,000 square meter area. It produces a standard 4,000 kinds of products, which are different from each other, with latest technology lathes and equipment. These are turning tools, threading and grooving tools, drilling tools and milling tools. It has a wide range of about 150,000 products in stock. Additionally, it produces special products by making designs according to customers' needs. Akko uses steels which are produced as special, so it makes its products more quality ones. All kinds of processes, from machining of steel to heat treatment and coating, are made in Akko, which is an integrated facility. Each of the products are designed by computer as three-dimensional or 3D design, produced and tested within a virtual environment. Later production is arranged with the latest technology CAD/CAM programs in the latest technology lathes. By means of multifunctional CNC lathes, raw material can be turned to a tool at once with only one process. Now, this process is one of the technologies which is the latest and most precise one. By means of tools and part measurement system of lathes, non-defective or perfect products are produced and time is saved. Produced products are continuously controlled by quality control experts, and the defect rate is decreased to minimum by making tests in a laboratory environment. Today, Akko sells 50% of its production to 57 countries in 7 continents. Authorized dealers can give order through the internet and make stock price control online. It gives a faster B2B service for its customers by means of the e-trade system. Akko realizes its short, medium and long-term targets and investment plans, proceeds on the way of becoming the best indexable tool producer in the world. It's proud of becoming the preferred company with spoken quality slogan in the machining sector. Its quality, which has been registered by the companies that use its tool holders, also have been registered by the Turkish Standards Institution by approving to give it TSEN ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System. The biggest support behind all these successes is educated, dynamic and innovative staffs. It goes on R&D works to increase reliability and serve its customers with quicker solutions and transfer this knowledge to its workers and customers through education and training held regularly. Akko, which is very happy for serving all companies making machining. Everything is for our customers who deserve the highest quality. Akko. Spoken quality.